Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change age on TikTok. If you're trying to change your age on TikTok, you might notice there's no direct edit button inside your profile settings. I checked this myself, and TikTok doesn't allow users to manually update their date of birth, but there is a way to request a correction. Here's what I do: open TikTok and go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, head into Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and select Report a Problem, tap Account and Profile, choose Editing Profile, then select Other, and finally, tap Need More Help. This opens a message box where you can explain your situation, clearly state that you entered the wrong date of birth and need it corrected. TikTok will usually ask for a valid government ID to verify your real birth date. Submit your request and wait for the response. Reviews can take several days. If it's denied, you may try again, but in some cases, creating a new account becomes the only option. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.